Hi, Joe here. Today I'm going to be making shrimp garlic breadsticks, air fried. Stay tuned. I'm just using a store-bought pizza dough, the one in the roll, you know which one it is, and some of this garlic butter cheese sauce that I made. It's basically some garlic, some butter, a little olive oil, some chicken bouillon, and a little bit of grated cheese. Pretty simple recipe. You just want to make sure that you bring it up to a boil before you add the cheese. So I'm just going to brush this dough here with the garlic butter cheese sauce. Because this dough is a little soft, what I'm going to do is fold it in half because it's just, it'll hopefully give me a better texture that way. All right, that's good there. So now I'm just going to take it and fold it in half like this. Okay, and I want to press it down. Probably not going to stick, but that's okay because I just want it to be sort of even. Okay, so let's do that. So now I'm just going to take the dough and probably just slice it this way here. You can make them as thick or as thin as you want. I'd rather go a little thicker because I'm going to be twisting them up. Okay. All right. So we're going to get a little bit of grated cheese on the top here, just light. You can use Romano, Parmesan, Asiago, whichever one you have. All right. And I didn't brush it with oil on the top because the cheese will just fall off. And I'm just going to press it in this way here. For shrimp, I'm going to use these pre-cooked shrimp here. These are the large shrimp, tail on. It's just going to make things a little easier, a little neater too. Won't have to worry about pre-cooking anything. You can use raw. You just have to cook it a little longer, and there's always that risk that you're not going to cook all the way through. So I've sprayed the skewers. I'm going to use a couple of skewers here. I'm going to start off with the dough. Just send it down like that, and because this stretches, it might pull off. So just be aware. Take the shrimp, and what I do is I leave space in between. You're going to get about 3 shrimp per skewer, and then take the dough and line it up in between the shrimp like this, and give it one more twist. Take another one, another shrimp, and again, leaving a little bit of space between the tail. Wrap it around, and one more. Okay. And go through and wrap it around to close it up any way you see fit. So there you go. I like to aim the tails all in one spot. That way it's easier to turn afterwards. I'm going to do the rest of these. I'm going to put them on the grid, and I'll bring you back when I've got them all complete here. All right, so now I've preheated the air fry oven, 400 degrees, about 5 or 10 minutes, just enough to get it evenly tempered in there. We're gonna open that up, and I'm gonna brush some of this garlic butter cheese sauce here, just a little bit on it. It'll help flavor the shrimp too. You can always add some later when you take it out. So take the shrimp, goes into the air fry oven. I'm going to put it as high, as close to the heat as possible because I want it to toast up. Close that up. I'm going to go 375 for about 10 minutes. And we're going to take a look at it, keep an eye on it to make sure that we're not burning it. About halfway through, 5 minutes, I'm going to rotate them, make sure they cook all the way around. And I'll bring you back when they come out and we'll give them a taste. So now I've got, for a dip, I decided to hold on to some of that garlic, butter oil, cheese sauce there. And I'm going to give it a little bit of a spritz with some lemon. All right, just enough to give it a little bit of a zip. You're gonna have it on a stick like this, where you can pull them off and just cut them up into little single portion sizes like that. So I'm just gonna give it a little dip in here. Almost has the flavor of like a shrimp tempura. You know, it gives it that garlic, buttery, crusty, soft inside. Hope you enjoyed my recipe video for shrimp garlic breadsticks. Give me some thumbs up. Give me some comments at the bottom. Go ahead and share it if you do like it. Check out some of my other recipes here on my playlist. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.